guys, Ciani's here. Going to be giving you guys a video today for the Political Science 240 class, showing you guys my study guide. This is the International Relations class. If you haven't taken it yet or are thinking about it, I definitely recommend it. I took mine with Emma Leonard Boyle, Dr. Boyle, and she is the best. So the one over here is going to be the study guide for the first exam, and the one over here is the study guide for the final. I want to show you guys both because the first study guide is a little bit easier than the second one, for the simple fact that for the first study guide for our first exam, she will give you what terms are going to be on there. So all you really have to do is just format it, put the definitions in, any other notes that she gave for that term, and some definitions. Definitions are very important and examples, because the exams are paragraph form, and she likes examples because it shows that you actually know what the word is. So for the first one, I bolded her key terms that she gave and just put some definitions in and some examples. This was a little bit of a shorter exam in my opinion, so my study guide's not too long. But yeah, so that's how you do it. It's pretty straightforward. Now, the next study guide is for a final. This one is a little bit more difficult because she does not give you a study guide or a list of terms that you should have on the exam. So it's a little bit more difficult, but if you take notes, you can tell by your notes which is more important. So if you see, I highlighted my key terms again and then just gave some definitions or different examples that would help me remember for the exam. My big piece of advice for this is, especially for the second study guide, once you are done filling it out, do it ahead of time, of course, at least a week before the exam, and meet with your professor. That way she can look it over and tell you if you have too much information or if you are missing anything at all, because that would be the most helpful. Just to make sure that you will be able to answer everything fully and accurately on the exam. But yeah, this is what I did. You can scroll through. Another thing about this class is there's only a midterm and a final. Your hardest part is going to be not only creating the second study guide, but also the final's cumulative. So not only are you having stuff from exam 1, but you're also going to have all this new stuff too. So never throw away your exam 1 study guide, because those terms are going to come back up. You are going to need them, and you can always go back and fix some things that you may not have remembered 100%. So you can highlight stuff on there too that you need to know. But these are how you should set up your study guides for Political Science 240. I hope you enjoyed the video.